Hey everybody, it's Dina Rico with the Creativity Cave. I am here today to tell you about my In Color Club Your Way. This is a new club that I am offering starting in May. You can register anytime starting right now, and you can enjoy all the fun new color items with all kinds of really special perks just for me. I'm even going to show you how to create one of the cards today. And all of the details for this will be in the description of this video. It's also on my blog, and if you're on my mailing list, I'll be sending an email out to you for this information. So Stampin' Up! Has 5 new in colors that are being released with our new annual catalog. Of course, the annual catalog is the best. I'm really excited about our catalog. In fact, I'm trying to find my copy of it to show you. It's full of all kinds of fabulous new products, lots of great inspiration, tons of ideas, and all kinds of fun. So the best way to get those new in colors, along with some inspiration to go with them, is to join my club. Now there's 5 different ways to join, and I'll explain all the different versions to you, and you can choose the one that works for you, but I've included all kinds of bonus things to go with it. So first off, I am going to share with you a super cute card featuring, we'll make one, but I have all of the in colors shown here. I will go through all of the things that are included in the In Color Club Your Way, and then you can register whenever you're ready if you'd like to join us. There's going to be so much fun stuff included, and lots of free items that you can get for being a part of this club. So are you ready? All right, I'm going to flip my camera. Okay, so the In Color Club Your Way, there are 5 different options, and the differences are pretty much based on billing, but one is based on creating your own club. So let me explain. So everybody who registers will get, in options 1 through 4, will get a specific selection of items. And option 5 allows you to customize whatever it is you'd like by placing an order in my online store with a special In Color Club host code that you'll be given every month. So we are going to be showcasing all the colors, and you'll get in your club membership 5 ink pads: Starry Sky, Parakeet Party, Orchid Oasis, Tahitian Tide, and Sweet Sorbet. So those colors are here, and then we're going to make one of them, the Tahitian Tide. We're going to make that card in just a moment. So you'll get all of the ink pads. You'll get all of the refills for the ink pads, which is really great. So you'll get a refill for each color. You'll also get an assortment of ribbon. So you'll get 2 yards of each of the colors of ribbon. You will get a package of the In Color 6x6 Designer Series paper, which I used on these cards. You'll also get a package of the Glimmer paper, and look at how fun this is. That comes in all the colors. You'll get a package of the note cards and envelopes, and these are so fun. So here are the envelopes and the cards that go with them. Oh, how fun are these? You'll also get a Stampin' Write marker for each color. You will get the Stampin' Blends, and there's a light and a dark for each color. Okay, so you can see here we've got light and dark. I'm just quick lining them all up for you. So you'll get all of these Stampin' Blends, and then you will also get, so those are the basic items that come in the club. Now the bonus items, as in they're free of charge, you'll get 3 project tutorials per month, which includes pre-cut cardstock for each project. Each of those tutorials will include a video, photos, and of course, instructions. You'll get Color Coach cards. The Color Coach cards give you great color combination suggestions for each of the different in colors, and you can put these on a ring and use them to reference when you're working. In addition to these cards, you'll also get a few blank ones where you can use some of the color combinations that we'll share with you throughout this event. You also get an all-star tutorial PDF, which will be new each month that you're a member. You'll get free twine in the new In Colors. It's so fun. I love this stuff in all these fun colors. And then you'll also get these gorgeous free matte dots. So matte decorative dots. Again, all the In Colors. There's the Sweet Sorbet ones are kind of up under here, like that. So all kinds of fun stuff. You'll also have access to a special Facebook group that is called the 2022 InColor Club Your Way. And in that Facebook group, we'll have color challenges with prizes, all kinds of fun content and whatnot. Now, you don't have to be a part of Facebook to enjoy all the membership perks of this. The only thing that is specifically in the Facebook group is the color challenges. Everything else, including door prizes and any fun things that we do, are available to everybody, regardless of whether or not you're in Facebook. Now let me show you one of these fabulous new In Colors in action. I love these colors. They're bright and happy and fun, but I also think they're really subdued and pretty kind of on their own. So I've made a really gorgeous monochromatic card here. You can see this is our Parakeet Party color, and it's just so bright and cheerful. Oh, I'm very excited about this one. I've also made this card in Orchid Oasis, Starry Sky, Sweet Sorbet, and then we're going to make this card in Tahitian Tide. So to do that, I'm going to use the Fresh Cut Flowers stamp set. This is a new stamp set that might not look super exciting at first, but I really have grown to love it. And it's super easy for this card. So I'm going to start with a half a sheet of my Tahitian Tide cardstock, and I will adhere to a 4x5 1/4 piece of Tahitian Tide, the Prince DSP. Again, all of these goodies will come with your club membership. Now, a little bit more about how it works is depending on the option you choose, you can get all of your items at once, or you can get your items spread out over 5 months. If you get them spread out over 5 months, you'll receive all of the items in one color each month. So like you'll get the cardstock, the ink pad, the refill, the marker, the blends, all for one color. And then the next month you'll get the next color, and so on. You can also choose between a full pack of each color of cardstock or an assortment pack of cardstock. And so all of those options are listed in the registration, so you can choose the option that works best for you. So you can get it all at once, or you can spread it out over the 5 months. Now I'm just going to stamp that beautiful Tahitian Tide flower on here. I'm also going to use a sentiment. This is actually from a different set, which is called, ooh, what did I do with it? Hold on, let me stamp this and then I will let you know. Okay, so I've stamped this on here. I die cut this with our new dies called Stylish Shapes. They are kind of stitched. Not kind of, they are stitched. And I really like them. So this is one of the labels that comes in that. Okay, I'm going to close this up and I'm going to adhere this. And then I have not forgotten, I need to tell you what stamp set this is from, but I don't know what I did with it. I pulled it out to grab the stamp out of it, but what did I do with the case? Because I haven't memorized all the new names yet. That's really hard. It's from a set called Happiness Abounds, which is another fave. Okay, I'm going to take some of my ribbon in Tahitian Tide, and I love this stuff. It's very easy to work with. It ties like a dream, which is wonderful, and it's really thin so that when you go to mail it, you won't have any lumps and bumps, or at least they're definitely kept to a minimum, so the post office won't be crabby with you, which I always appreciate. I do mail a great many cards every month, so it's really nice when the post office plays nice with me. Okay, so I'm just going to tie this around. Oh my goodness. And all of a sudden, I tied all these 4 cards before this one, super easy, and now this one has been a little trickier. There we go. Super cute. We'll pop this layer up, and then we'll adhere all of our layers to our card. Now I have to tell you, I popped this layer up on here, like so. I'm going to pop this layer up onto this layer, you know, because I can. And then I also popped the whole designer series paper panel up onto my card. I don't know if that's too much popping up, but honestly, I'm okay with it. All right. I'll place that right in the center here, and then I'll adhere this to my card. Yeah, I gotta pop it up. It's just better that way. Okay. We'll place that right there, and there you have this beautiful card in Tahitian Tide. I'll bring in the other colors again. So when you join the InColor Club your way, you'll get all the ink pads, all the reinkers, the markers, the blends, the designer series paper that I used on this card, an assortment of the ribbon that I used on this card, the glimmer paper. You'll get free matte dots and twine. And then each month you'll get 3 card tutorials with pre-cut cardstock to complete the projects, as well as access to our Facebook group, which will have all kinds of card challenges, well, a card challenge every month, and some kind of fun stuff that I share over there. All of this, again, is available through me. Now, there are 5 options. The first 2 are billed monthly, and again, the only difference between them is whether you get an assortment pack of cardstock that comes like this, where you get 4 sheets of each color in an assortment, or you get the 5 full packs, where you will get 1 full package of cardstock each month. Okay, so 5 full packs of cardstock versus 1 assortment pack of cardstock. And then you can also do that exact same thing where you're only billed once. So that's option 3 and option 4, again, depending on if you want the assorted cardstock or the full pack of cardstock. And then the 5th option is for people who want to order kind of their own way, meaning you can order whatever items you would like. So maybe 1 month you want to order all the pads and the markers. Another month you might order the designer series paper and the blends. You know, however you want to do it. You just need to place a minimum of $50 purchase before tax and shipping with the special host code that I will give you for club. And then just like everybody else, you'll still get all of the bonus items. But these items here, you will need to purchase however you want. And another question I get a lot is, can you join if you are a demonstrator? Absolutely. I would recommend option 5, especially if you already have pre-ordered the InColor items, but it's completely up to you. Whichever version works best for you is what you can do to join. Now, there's a Q&A in the registration process, so if you have any questions, they might be answered there, but don't hesitate to reach out. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. The kits will ship on approximately the 20th of each month, so that means you need to order by the 3rd in order to get in on this. So May 3rd, because I'll be placing the order when the catalog goes live May 3rd. If you have any questions, though, don't hesitate to reach out. Happy to answer them. I hope you loved these cards and that you will consider joining the club. Again, all of the information is in the description of this video, and I'll have a little link up here as well. Thank you so much for stamping with me today, friends. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.